Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Catan holder is probably one of the most underrated accessories for any serious Settlers of Catan enthusiast, transforming your chaotic game night into an organized, immersive experience by neatly containing all those precious resources and development cards that inevitably scatter across the table, ensuring every player can easily access their goods without disrupting the flow of strategic trading and building. Number 5. IOUKUKI Clear Plastic Deck Box Holders. Introducing the IOUKUKI Clear Plastic Deck Box Holders. These versatile cases are designed to keep your game cards and other small items perfectly organized and protected. Each of these cases offers an inner size of 3.6 by 2.6 by 1 inch. They can comfortably hold over 55 PTCG or other standard game cards, ensuring ample space for your collection. Equipped with a snap-closed cover, you can close them fast and easily. This feature makes them effectively waterproof and dust-proof, safeguarding your contents. You receive 4 clear cases in each package, all made from high-quality transparent plastic. Their clear material allows for quick identification of what's inside. These practical storage boxes are suitable for a wide range of uses. They can hold bank cards, marbles, changes, earrings, and various other accessories, proving useful for both kids and adults. What we like. These offer individual, clear, and protective storage for your small items. Their snap-closed cover ensures contents are safe from water and dust. If you have multiple small card sets or accessories needing versatile, individual protection, these are a great choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instruction to quote from original content. Number 4. TowerRex Catan Organizer for base game and expansions. Tired of messy game nights? This organizer keeps all your Catan components neatly stored. It ensures everything is ready for quick setup and smooth gameplay. Designed for the Catan board game, it also perfectly accommodates the Cities and Knights and Seafarers expansions. You can keep your entire Catan collection in one place. Crafted with high-quality materials, it's incredibly sturdy and well-made. This accessory protects your valuable game pieces, extending their lifespan for countless game sessions. By keeping components organized and easily accessible, it makes your games more immersive and pleasant. No more searching for pieces, just focus on building your empire. It ships ready to assemble with clear online instructions. Putting it together is straightforward and can even be a fun activity to share with friends. This organizer makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any Catan enthusiast. It's a lifelong accessory that enhances their gaming experience. What we like. This is a comprehensive, sturdy, all-in-one organizer for Catan and its expansions. It keeps all your game components neatly stored and easily accessible during play. If you own multiple Catan expansions and want a premium, long-lasting solution that enhances your gaming experience, this is for you. What people say. Number 3. KT Fancy Folding Dice Tray 6-piece Set. Introducing the KT Fancy Folding Dice Tray, a versatile 6-piece set. It comes in vibrant colors like green, red, blue, black, yellow, and purple, making it a perfect gift for any D&D enthusiast. Crafted with durable PU leather on the outside, these trays are easy to clean and built to last. Inside, soft velvet lining protects your precious dice from scratches and safeguards your table from dents and gashes during intense gameplay. When unfolded, each tray provides a spacious 10.6 by 10.6 inch area for rolling. When folded, it measures a compact 7.9 inches diagonally, offering ample space for all your polyhedral and metal dice sets. Its innovative hexagon design makes it incredibly easy to fold and unfold. You can effortlessly carry it anywhere, transforming any gathering into a fun gaming session with family and friends. Beyond dice games, these trays are also perfect for organizing small items like jewelry, keys, or coins. And if you ever encounter an issue, their dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. You get a convenient 6-pack of portable, multicolored dice trays. Their PU leather and velvet construction protects your table from dents and scratches. If you frequently play dice games with friends or need multiple trays that are easy to carry, these are an excellent pick. What people say. Number 2. Settlers Game Piece Holder, black. Tired of scattered game pieces during your Settlers game nights? This organizer is designed to keep everything neat and tidy, enhancing your gaming experience. Each holder is perfectly sized for your base game pieces. It neatly stores all 15 roads, 5 settlements, and 4 cities for one player. This convenient set includes 6 individual holders. It's ideal for larger groups or having spares on hand. It seamlessly integrates with all solid factory Settlers game piece expansion holders. You can easily expand your storage as your game collection grows. Spend less time sorting and more time playing. These holders make setup a breeze and cleanup quick, so you can focus on strategy. What we like. These provide individual holders for each player's Catan pieces, keeping them perfectly separated. The set of 6 ensures everyone has their own dedicated space. If you like a super organized game night where every player's pieces are neatly contained, you should consider these. What people say. Number 1. Settlers Organizer for Catan 5th Edition. Tired of messy game nights? This organizer is designed specifically for Catan 5th Edition, making setup and cleanup a breeze. It includes 6 removable trays, perfect for keeping each player's pieces neatly separated. No more mixing up your settlements and cities. With 4 removable card holders, all your development and resource cards stay organized. Plus, it even supports sleeved cards for extra protection. 2 additional removable trays are included to store all your game tokens. Keep everything in its place, ready for your next adventure. This organizer ensures everything fits perfectly within your Catan 5th Edition box. It transforms your game experience, making it smoother and more enjoyable. What we like. This modular organizer features multiple removable trays for pieces and cards. It's specifically designed to support sleeved cards, a huge plus for collectors. If you have Catan 5th Edition, use sleeved cards, and prefer a highly modular setup for quick game setup and teardown, this is your ideal match. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.